Bienvenidos a la clase de español. Hola. Hi, friends. Welcome to Spanish class. Me llamo es Brittany. My name is Brittany. We are going to continue learning some more words in Spanish. And this week, we've had quite a theme. At least I have felt quite a theme with birds. In some of our other videos that you may have watched, you might have noticed we were talking about birds. So I thought it would be fun to teach you how to say some bird names in Espanol. Would you like to learn some names of birds in Espanol? ¿Sí? Sí. Me gusta los aves. I like the birds. Do you want to know how to say birds? It's aves. Can you say that? Aves. Let's say it 2 more times. Aves. Aves. Birds. Well, some of you might remember this special book. This is a dictionary that has pictures. So I flipped to the page with the aves, with the birds. Let's see. We'll start with an easy one. This bird is all pink. Its whole body is pink. And it has long legs and a long neck. And in English, we call this bird a flamingo. And guess what? In Espanol, it's the same. Es igual. It's flamingo. Flamingo in English, flamingo. Flamingo in Espanol, flamingo. Let's say that 2 more times. Flamingo, flamingo. There's the flamingo. All right. So, let's see. I know we talked about a heron. So, do you remember what a heron looks like? Long legs, a white body, a long neck. Do you see that heron? This is a white heron. There are actually some blue herons called a great blue heron. So either way, if you were talking about different types of herons, you would still always say the same word for heron, which is garza. Let's repeat that. Garza. 2 more times. Garza. Garza. That's heron. If we were talking about a blue heron, we could say garza. Do you remember how to say blue? Azul. Garza azul. If we were talking about this type of white heron, do you remember how to say white in Espanol? Blanco. Sí. You could say garza blanca. Okay, what's another bird that we were talking about this week? Oh, I see one. This bird has long legs, long neck, but a big body, and lots of bushy feathers. Do you know what bird I'm thinking of? It's an ostrich. Ooh, ostrich. So in English we say ostrich, but in Espanol we say avestruz. Let's say that nice and slow. Avestruz. 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 Sort of a new word for me. I don't usually talk that much about avestruz, but ostriches. Okay. We also have this bird that many of you may have seen or know about because it lives near where we live here. And it's big wingspan and it soars over the river and it's black body and a white head and a white tail. Do you know what I'm talking about? It's an eagle. It's a bald eagle. Do you see the bald eagle? Well, in Espanol, the word for eagle is águila. Can you say that with me? Águila. 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 Eagle. Let's see, what's another bird that we often talk about? Ooh, this bird lives near where we live too. Many different types. And it is a nocturnal bird. I think you know what that means. Nocturnal. It's more active at night, in the noche. And it's a hunter in the night for mice and rabbits. And it's got big, beautiful wings. Depending where it lives, it camouflages the color of its wings. Some are white in cold places. The ones that live around here, more brown wings. Big eyes, and it goes, woo, woo. Do you know this animal, this bird, this ave? There's an owl. So when we're talking about an owl in Espanol, we say bujo. Can you say that? Bujo. 2 more times. Bujo. Bujo. That's owl. All right. Let's talk about a beautiful tropical bird. And it has often many different colored feathers and big beak. And sometimes these birds even know how to repeat after humans. Do you know what bird I'm talking about? They don't live around here, but there's a parrot. So when we're talking about a parrot in Espanol, we use the word loro. Can you say that? Loro. Let's try 2 more times. Loro. Loro. Okay, friends. I think we have time for one more bird. And this bird is another bird that lives near where we live. And it's black and it's kind of big, but not as big as an eagle. And they're all around and they make some loud squawks like rah, rah. Do you know what bird I'm talking about? All black? It's a crow. Who's seen a crow in their backyard? I know, I definitely have. So when we're talking about a crow, in Espanol we say cuervo. Can you say that? Cuervo. Let's say it 2 more times together. Cuervo. Cuervo. Wow, we learned how to say many birds' names in Espanol today, friends. I'm so grateful for this book. It is very helpful in practicing our vocabulary words. Well, muchas gracias para hablar y practicar conmigo sobre los nombres de los aves. Thank you so much, friends, for talking and practicing with me the names of the words. Well, until next time, hasta luego. Hasta luego.